Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mercedes here with another video, and I have a makeup tutorial. Finally, another makeup tutorial for you guys. I know y'all been waiting, but anyways, I just did this really simple look. It's just eyeliner, bold lashes, eyebrows, highlight, lip gloss, the whole thing, but no eyeshadow. So this is my like go-to glam look. I do this look every time I go somewhere. Like every time I go somewhere and I want to look cute and put together, I just do this look. I slap on some eyeliner, and the way I do eyeliner is really easy. It's really like a hack. So just keep watching if you want to figure out how to do your eyeliner easily and get it like on point like this. It doesn't take me any time, so just keep watching. Do you want to say hi? My baby brother David is saying hi to all you guys, so he's here watching me. So if you guys like how this turned out and you think I'm looking on point, on fleek, you feel me, then just keep watching and I'll show you guys how I did this. So for my eyebrows, I have a tutorial up. It's called, I think, soap brow tutorial. I still do the same technique, but I'll do it for you guys for this video. So I take my African black soap like usual. This is all, I go in depth in my other video, so I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm doing. I take my soap and I just spray it with this is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And you can spray with anything. You can spray with water, just get it a little wet, you know. Then I take the spoolie end of my Anastasia Brow Wiz and I just go like this with my brush. So then I just start combing the hairs upwards. Then I go in with like the pencil end of the Brow Wiz and I just start like filling in my eyebrows. So now I take my dip brow, and what a lot of people don't do, and I don't think I showed this in my other brow tutorial, but you see how like the dip brow gets, let me let it focus. Do you guys see how the dip brow like gets dry? What I do is I spray it with some anything, but this is just the Mario Badescu Brow Wiz. I mean, Mario Badescu Rose Water. I just spray with anything like once, because I find that when it's a little like wet, it works better and you use less of it. So that's just a tip. That's a Sadie's dough tip. So then I just start lining the bottom of my brow. So then I just take any concealer and this like rounded tip. It's the M508 Morphe brush. And I just clean up my brow. It's really simple, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow off camera, but this is how this one came out. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. When I'm going out, I usually don't do eyeshadow because I don't have the time. Usually when I'm getting ready, I don't have the time to like really blend my eyeshadow. So I end up just doing eyeliner, some bold lashes, and like a beat face. So that's what I do for my go-to glam look. So I'm just gonna do some eyeliner right now. I use Wet n Wild liner. This is the Wet n Wild H2O proof, but I also have like the regular one. I don't know where it is right now. I need to reorganize my makeup, but that's for a separate video. So for my liner, all I do is I do 2 dots. I do one at the outer corner of my eye. Can you guys see? I do one at the outer corner of my eye, and then I do one like where I want my wing to start going up vertically. So I do my dot like right here. So I do it like right here and right here. So then I just connect these 2 dots. And then I just do a line to connect it to my lid. So it looks like this. And that's basically all I do. I just keep cleaning it up and making it more neat. So to get it really clean and like crisp, I cleaned it up with makeup remover wipes. That's how I get it to look neat. Excuse me. I take this like angled brush. The number like faded off on it, so I don't know what number of Morphe this is, but it looks like this. It's just an angled, I don't know, angled liner brush. I put it in some makeup remover wipes like this, just so like makeup remover gets on it, and you know, that's what I do. And I just literally clean it up like this. And I keep doing that. That's all I do, be, until I think it's perfect. So whatever you want your liner to look like, do it until it looks like that. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how I want my liner to look. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep it like that. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, so I'll see you guys after I do that. So this is both eyes. For lashes I'm using the Cocoa lashes. This is in the style Queen Bee. These are like one of my favorite lashes I've ever tried because they're like wispy. Let me show you. If you watch, what's her name, Kate Lustrelux on YouTube, you know what these are because she is known for using these. But this is what they look like. So this is what they look like. They're so like wispy. Oh my gosh, I love them. Dang, I don't even know where my lash glue is. So change of plans, you guys. I was about to put on those lashes and I lost one. I was looking for it for like 20 minutes, but after I even finished this video. Okay, so I'm using these House of Lashes lashes. This is in Heartbreaker, and they kind of look the same as the Queen Bee ones, and they're like wispy. So I'm gonna hurry up and put these on off camera. You guys have seen me put on lashes a lot of times, so just go watch my other videos. I'm gonna put these on off camera and I'll be right back. The lashes are done, so I'm gonna move on to the face portion of this tutorial. To prime today, I'm just using my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And I'm also using my 3-in-1 Hangover Too Faced Spray. Oh. You guys like hate the feeling when you feel like your inner corner is about to like pop off of your lash? Because that's what I feel like right now. So my go-to foundation is this Makeup Forever HD foundation. This is in the shade Y45. I've been using this foundation for the longest and it's never done me wrong. So I highly recommend. It is a full coverage foundation, which I look for in a foundation. So, and then always remember to get your neck, girl. You don't want to be 2 different shades because you know foundation is usually a little bit darker than your real skin. I did it too hard. I'm always knocking everything over. I need a bigger filming space. So concealer, for concealer, I usually go for my Tarte Shape Tape, but this is a little too light for me because I don't know why Tarte doesn't carry like my shade. Like the shade darker than this is too dark, but this is like too light. So I just mixed it with a darker concealer. And this is also heavy duty concealer. I like heavy duty full coverage stuff to cover everything. So that's what I go for. And to like blend it in with my skin, my shade, I use Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 30 Cafe. And this is like a foundation shade for me, so too dark for concealer. Concealer is supposed to highlight your face. It's supposed to conceal, and you're supposed to put it at like where you want your face to be highlighted. So I'm just gonna blend it in with a damp beauty blender. I think if I was like in a rush to go out and I could only choose like what 3 different things, one of them would have to be concealer, because concealer just changes your face, like especially for me with my under eye bags. So for bronzer, I usually go for my Tarte, or this is Tarte Amazonian Clay waterproof bronzer, because it's, you know, sweat proof if I'm going out. If you're looking into sweat proof makeup and you want to like know how stuff works before you get it, I have a video on sweat proof makeup and I tested it. And then this brush is the Morphe R7 brush. Nothing is more calming than doing your makeup without a time limit, because I just forgot that I had to be somewhere and I was like really calm, but I just remembered that I have to be somewhere and I'm like doing it hecka fast. And I just bronze my whole face with this. So now I'm gonna bake. I'm just gonna use, where's my Laura Mercier? Laura Mercier. Well, best baking powder of all time is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I use this in every single video because no other like powder works better for me. I've tried different ones, but this is like the one I always go back to. And also bake the sides of my mouth to prevent smile lines. So now it's time to do a nose job. It's time to contour my nose. I have a big like ethnic nose, so I love to contour my nose before I go out. Then I just take a bigger brush to like blend that out more because you don't want it to be harsh, you know. And this is the Morphe R10 brush. To contour my face, I use the Physicians Formula multicolored bronzer just because it has these really dark shades. I go into the hollows of my cheeks again. So now I take a wedged sponge. I don't know if that's what this is called, but I just clean that up. And then I also bake my nose. So then I dust it off with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is just to add more product, so like the translucent powder doesn't like sweep everything away. So now I'm gonna highlight my face. This is the highlight my nose. This is the M431 brush, and it's just like really tiny. To highlight my nose, I'm just gonna be using the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighting powder. So to highlight my face, I use this fan brush from Morphe. I need to get a new one because this one's like crooked. But I get it like damp first. I spray it with something first before I put it into the highlighting powder. And I'm using the same highlighting powder, Artist Couture, Diamond Glow powder, and Illuminati. You guys see how much I'm glowing? If you don't have this, you need to go get it. It's like $30 something, honestly. It's expensive, but it's worth it. And it's lasts hecka long because I got this like the beginning of last year and I still have a lot, so. And then you can't go wrong with this Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I use this every time I do my makeup. Do you guys see this? I also add bottom liner to my like waterline, and I add mascara on my lower lashes, so I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. So for lips, I usually go for gloss when I go out. Go-to is glosses, so I mix these two. I use this Intense Butter Gloss by NYX Cosmetics. This is in Rocky Road Chocolate. Yeah, Rocky Road. And I use this for like around my lips, and then I do like an ombre lip. I use this Morphe cream lip polish, and this is in blush. And this one like smells like chocolate. Chocolate! Chocolate! And then I go in with this one. So for setting spray, the last step, excuse me, I use the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. So that is it for my go-to glam look. It's really simple, just, why are you laughing at me? It's really simple, just like liner, lip gloss, highlight, lashes. I feel like a new person with my nails. That's why I keep like putting my nails in the frame, like, hey, I got my nails done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do you guys see me? I keep doing that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's really simple. It's not hard at all. Just eyeliner, bold lashes, eyebrows, highlight, lip gloss. This is really my go-to look when I go anywhere. Like, it's just really like, I mean, not necessarily fast, but I don't have to take the time to like really blend my eyeshadow. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. It's all in the description, but my @name is Cedesdoe, CEDESSDOE. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.